The story of Berger Financial Group begins in 1981 when we were founded by Larry Berger as an income tax preparation firm. Soon thereafter, financial planning and investment management were added to the mix for comprehensive and coordinated strategy. This rare capability of tax-focused financial planning attracted more and more clients, and in 2003, I joined my father, increasing our capability to help more clients. Through this time, we added an excellent group of staff, most of which are still present at the firm today in high-level executives or financial advisory roles. In 2010, we became an emergency succession plan for a colleague that passed away abruptly. Despite the tough situation, we were able to successfully serve the clients and help the surviving spouse through the transition process. Seeing the value in being the succession plan for advisors, whether it be a more traditional retirement or just as a backup plan, was something that immediately was a strength of our team, and we set out to do more of this in the years ahead. Adding fantastic talent to our team in this way has made us an ideal suitor for many retiring advisors and their teams. In 2018, we also became one of the only ESOP fully employee-owned firms in our industry in the whole country. This has a huge benefit to all our staff and people that join us. Everyone having the ownership mentality creates a family-style culture, just like our firm's origins. Today, we have a handful of locations throughout the country and have continued adding truly exceptional people to our team. Most importantly, the family feel and culture, along with maintaining our tax-focused investment and financial planning, has left us in a great spot for the time ahead.